Spatial audio refers to the ability to position audio sources around a scene to set their perceived position. For example, to make it seem as if certain instruments from a composition were located behind you. Currently, the implementation of spatial audio is highly underutilized, mostly due to the extremely complex nature of the tools available for working with it. Many performers would love to add elements of spatial audio to their shows, but lack the technical expertise to do so. Luckily, SpaceJam is here to solve that problem. Using a combination of the gesturally controlled nod ring, the talk watch, and an Android phone, SpaceJam is an easy and intuitive way to control the positioning of audio sources in real time. Meet Joe, your average DJ. Joe has no idea how to use the current spatial audio programs, but SpaceJam is here to help. A few hours before his performance, Joe arrives at the venue, sets up his equipment, and is able to immediately begin configuring the virtual location of his audio sources. It's literally as easy as picking which source you want to move and dragging it into the desired position. Within minutes, he is able to create a custom layout perfectly suited for this particular location. Then, he is able to save their positions so that he can come back to this initial layout at any time. Later that night, Joe is dropping some sick beats and wants to take it to the next level by manipulating the virtual location of his audio sources on the fly, but he doesn't have any hands free and doesn't want to take out his phone during the performance. Luckily, SpaceJam has a hands-free mode. Joe can quickly view a list of his sources on the talk watch and select one to control using the nod ring. Then, any movement of the hand with the nod ring translates directly to movement of the source in real time. Using SpaceJam, Joe is able to add groundbreaking new elements of creativity and interactivity to his performance, exciting unparalleled audience engagement. Thanks, SpaceJam!